Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply a tourist visa to travel to Honduras. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, whenever it comes to apply any kind of visa for any country, the very first thing you should check that do you really need a visa? Because based on your nationality, duration, purpose, and even based on other visas that you have, you may or may not need a visa. And when you determine this, and when you are going to actually apply, always check the process as per the official entity of the country that governs your region. Because when I say region, means your residential area. Because based on your residential area, there could be additional document step, etc. For example, if you're in Canada and you want to apply for Honduras tourist visa, so I have opened this Honduras embassy website. So for visa applicants, they have to consult the consular section at the embassy or consulate general in Montreal prior to booking an appointment. So for Montreal also, there is a website where they have the schedule appointment link also. Okay. So phone numbers they have given where you can contact. Now, for tourist visas, like there are two kinds. One is single entry, one is multiple entry. For single entry is valid for 60 days and the fee is 30 USD money order. And for multiple entries, it's like validity 1 year, fees US $60. Okay. And money order pay that you will make payable to Embassy of Honduras consular section. Okay. Personal check. And they also provide postal too. If you go to Montreal website, you will see the postal where they are like if you're not going to attend in person. But again, before you do anything, call them. They will guide you if something more needs to be done. They may discuss your case also. In that case, they ask you to send application along with a prepaid envelope where they can return. Okay, fine. Now I know you have the queries about form and documents. The form link is there. Photograph you're going to attach here. General data. See, it's given in English also, no problem. Last name, first name, nationality, gender, place and date of birth. Make sure it matches with your passport. All these information. Your home address, phone number, email. Passport, most of people have ordinary. Passport number, passport, place of issue, date of issue, and expiration date. These things must match. Okay, you don't want any issue later on. Your profession, name and nationality of spouse. Again, only if applicable. Parents' name and nationality. Why you want to go there if you're going for tourism, select this. And countries that you're going to expect it to visit, Guatemala. Also. So if you're going for Honduras, just go for Honduras, whatever is your case. So this is called CA4 region. Okay. Country and port of entry for CA4 region. Okay. Date of arrival, length of stay. How you're going to fund your ticket trip. If you're going using your own funds, click that. Any family or business that you can do. They have a field for others also. Which kind of visa you requested, single, multiple, or transit. So generally for tourism, people go for single, sometimes multiple too, if they are going come and back to multiple countries. So based on that, you do. Type of visa. Okay, next question is visa type of place and address where you will stay in CEF4 region. Okay, if you booked a hotel, you'll provide that. People traveling with applicants, is that this is applicable only if you go in group, like if the wife or friends that you can put. Other data and instruments submitted. Name of name and address, place of employment, study, business phone, personal school of business references in the C4 A4. Okay, if whatever applicable, do it. Have you requested a visa to a CA4 country before? So CA4 country, that list, you remember? We saw just before. Provide that information. When and granted, yes, no. Your permanent valid residency card, provide that information. Which country is your residency? Provide that information. Do you have any other valid visa? If you have, provide that information. If yes, you need to say from where. Okay. Please attach one of the following. Work letter, invitation, recommendation, and the proof of legal residency. For general tourism, work letter also works in many cases. Specify other income sources and submit evidence. Bank statement, salary statement, other income sources. Okay, fine. Of course, whatever is applicable. Have you visited any of the countries which this visa will be valid for? Okay, provide that information. This is for consulated visa. Okay, I don't have to worry about that. So, signature, date, place. Now, what are the documents you need to submit along? Copy of the round trip ticket, passport data page, invitation letter, if applicable, proof of employment income. For multiple entry visa, justify the letter for multiple entry visa, okay, and other things. This section for official use, so don't worry about it, okay. And you also need to provide like two photographs that I had seen on Montreal consulate's website, okay. Let me take you to there also. You will get some more information. Continue to this website. It's not in English, but we have that capability to translate. Here we go. If I go services, here comes visa. Okay. Application form, two passport size photograph, valid passport, copy of residence card, copy of travel itinerary, proof of employment, letter of invitation, if any other requirements. Okay. Bank draft or money order, prepaid envelope for return the passport if you cannot attend to pick up. Yes. This is what I was telling you. Visa application form they too have. You go to contact us. You can book an appointment right over there. Okay. That is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.